Hey, yeah, heavy metal homesteading and primitive skills channel here. Yeah, haven't talked much about the importance of the arts and music and staying sane in a homesteading and survival situation, being able to express yourself and whatnot. Thought I'd do a quick review of this new pedal I got called the Tape Machine. It's one of the cheapest pedals I've ever bought, but pretty impressed with it so far. It's a little echo pedal that sounds pretty neat. As you can see, it's a pretty neat little pedal, and messing with the settings is really fun. Yeah, I like it so far. Don't have too many pedals in my rig at the moment. I have the much loathed and hated Boss MT2 Metal Zone, a tuner, of course a rat pedal, and I gotta get that hooked up and in my chain to deaden some of the noise coming out of here. Yeah, I like this little thing. Hope it lasts a long time. It's got a sturdy metal case and tiny but effective so far. I like it.